Tattletail. Someone who tells on others, often to get them in trouble. Example: Tim told the teacher about Sarah's secret note. What a tattletale. Addict. Someone who can't stop doing or using something, usually harmful. Example: Jake can't put down his phone, he's a total phone addict. Heartbreaker. A person who often causes others emotional pain, especially in romantic relationships. Example: Lily dates people, but leaves them heartbroken. She's such a heartbreaker. Wimp. Someone who lacks courage or is easily scared. Example: Tom didn't want to go on the roller coaster because he's a wimp. Grifter. Someone who swindles or tricks people, especially for money. Example: That guy sold fake tickets, he's a grifter. Stubborn. Unwilling to change one's mind or accept help. Example: Even when he knew he was wrong, Ben refused to apologize. He's so stubborn. Mean girl. A girl who is deliberately unkind or exclusionary to others. Example: Emma made fun of Lisa's dress. She's acting like a mean girl. Backstabber. Someone who betrays a friend or acts against them secretly. Example: Alex pretended to be friendly but told everyone Jake's secret. What a backstabber. Clout chaser. Someone who seeks fame or attention by associating with others who are more popular. Example: Jenny only hangs out with influencers to gain followers. She's a clout chaser. Grump. Someone who is always in a bad mood or complains a lot. Example: Mr. Johnson always complains about everything, he's such a grump. Jerk. A person who is rude or mean without reason. Example: He cut in line and didn't apologize. What a jerk. Player. Someone who dates multiple people without commitment or honesty. Example: James flirts with everyone but doesn't take any relationship serious. Nose Nelly. Someone who is overly interested in other people's business. Example: Sally always listens to her neighbor's conversations. She's such a nose Nelly. Cougar. An older woman who dates much younger men. Example: Linda often goes out with younger guys. She's considered a cougar. Vixen. A woman who is attractive and uses her charm to get what she wants. Example: Everyone admires her, but she's quite the vixen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.